Children, now let us discuss our 25th question. It was given that a body of mass 1 kg, and if you observe, there is a force action. So very clear, force action and mass. This is from Newton's laws of motion, isn't it? Especially Newton's second law. Newton's laws of motion. Okay. So from this, in Newton's second law. Newton's second law. So what is Newton's second law? F is equal to m into a or m into dv by dt. These concepts you have to recollect back. But here is asking power. Okay, power, nothing but work power energy. So what is the relationship between power and force? We have studied that power is equal to force into velocity. Power is equal to force into velocity. Okay, now let us see. So with this relation, I'll start my analysis. Okay, F is equal to m into dv by dt. This is what we know. But as for the given question, it is t along x-axis plus 3t square along j-axis. This is what is given. So mass is given as 1 kg. Okay, so in place of m, I'll put 1 into dv by dt is equal to so and so. With this, dv by dt is equal to t along x-axis, 3t square along j-axis. Why don't you move this t to other side? So dv is equal to t along x-axis plus 3t square along j-axis. So dt is moved to other side. So have a close look at this equation. So what you would observe, now we can perform integration. Okay, but because here there is multiplication, no, with respect to small t, no, with respect to dt, no, so you can perform integration. That is, integral of dv is equal to integral of t along x plus 3t square like this, which was multiplied by dt. Now why don't you split this for your simplicity? That is t along x-axis into dt plus again integral of 3t square in dt. So its direction is j. So split like this, it will be easy for you. So what is integral of t? You people know that integral of xn dx is nothing but x to the power of n plus 1 by 2, isn't it? X to the power of n plus 1 by 2. So integral of t dt is nothing but, nothing is there means power 1, t power 1 plus 1 by 2. So what you get here is that t square by 2. So here this will get it, you will be getting it as t square by 2. Okay, you will be getting this as t square by 2 along x-axis plus, what about this one, 3 is taken outside. Now integral of t square means what you will get here, t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So t power 3 by 3, like this you will get. So t cube by 3 along j-axis, this is what I am getting. 3 cancel. So finally what we could get here is that t square by 2 along x-axis plus t cube along y-axis. So integral of dv is nothing but directly v. You know, no, integral of dx is x, integral of dv is v, integral of dz is z. So you got velocity. But our interest upon is that we have to find out the force. Our interest is we have to find power. Power P is equal to force F into velocity V. So I take it as P, where force F, it was given how much? T along x-axis plus 3t square along j-axis into, okay, velocity. So this is not cross product, my dear, this is dot product. But I have to write like this. So velocity you got here, no? So what is this? T square by 2 along x-axis plus t cube by t cube along j, like this. Okay. So perform dot product. As I told you in previous questions, in dot product what happens? I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 1. And I dot j, j dot k, k dot I equal to 0. It means we have to perform with same axis in dot product. That is I and I, j and j. Remaining you can perform, but you get 0, no? So t I into t square s. So that is t cube by 2. So I dot I, which is 1. That is 1. So you get here t cube by 2. Okay. Next, 3t square and t cube. So what do you get here? 3t power 5. Again, j dot j. What is j dot j? 1. So 3t power 5, 1. So it is 3t power 5. So this is what is power. Like this you got power. So this is the power developed by the force in t seconds. Now recollect, just look at the question, my dear. Did he ask me to find out the power at t seconds? No. He's asked me to find the power at time t equal to 2 seconds. So in place of t, what you have to do is that you have to substitute time t equal to 2 seconds. So now I am coming back to that. So power in 2 seconds. So that is p is equal to 2. In place of t I am putting 2 cube by 2 plus 3, 2 power 5. So this has been cancelled. Get here 2 square and 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? 32. So 3 into 32. So the answer that you get here is that 100. Check it out. 32 3s are 96 and 2 square is 4. So you get 100. So now the power is 100 watt. Okay. So here everything is basic things consisting of force, that is from laws of motion. Power is from work per energy. You people know that power is equal to F dot V. So that is important. Power P equal to F dot V. Dot product. So by doing this we get the power as 100 watts. So answer for this question is 100 watts. With this we have completed our 25th one. Now let us move on to the next one.